We've got a large area of high pressure dominating our weather at the moment, and it's going to be there for the best part of the week. Now, there will be a few subtle changes on a daily basis, so you'll need to stay tuned to get the details. But I think in the next 24 hours we are going to see a subtle change. The winds are going to swing more towards the north. That'll start to drag in this fairly weak weather system down from the northeast. That'll bring some thickening cloud and some drizzly rain in from the northeast then during Tuesday. But today we've seen plenty of sunshine gathering over the past few hours. It's a glorious day across a large part of Scotland now, much of Wales and England as well. So it really is very pleasant indeed. But out in the North Sea there is more thick cloud. That's waiting in the wings. That'll start to move in later on today and through tonight. It's all linked to that system that's taking some heavy snow and some strong winds across into eastern Europe at the moment. And we're going to see very unsettled weather also down the eastern basin of the Mediterranean. That area of low pressure then, with some strong to gale force winds connected to it, will take some heavy rain across there into Turkey, turning to snow quite readily as well. So if you're off on holiday perhaps through the Aegean into Cyprus for a midwinter break, well, it's not too good at the moment. Much better as you go further towards the west. Well, we've got some strong winds at the moment across Scotland, strong to gale force at times, just briefly. But we're going to find the strongest of those winds just pushing away down through the North Sea later on today, through tonight and into tomorrow. And it'll still be pretty breezy tomorrow, but I think essentially the strongest winds are moving away. And certainly, despite the fact that we've got some cloudy weather, temperatures are about 7 to 9 degrees across most of the country, so really quite respectable. But up to 11 or even 12 across parts of Scotland and northeast England. And it's here we've got bags of sunshine still to come through the rest of the afternoon. So some pockets of light rain across the far north of Scotland, and many of these western coasts and hills are also staying pretty cloudy for the rest of today. Well, tonight we'll keep that cloud. There will be some gaps in the cloud for a while. It may well turn pretty foggy in some areas for a while, and there could be some patchy frost too. But generally speaking, I think the cloud will return as the night goes on. So the frost and fog will be the exception to the rule. Most places between about 3 and 5 degrees tonight. Well, tomorrow then we will find some sunshine breaking through, but again some thick cloud in the north, and also a thickening cloud coming into these eastern fringes through the day as well. Could bring some drizzle later on especially. It could well be that tomorrow we see more breaks in the cloud in the shelter of the northwest wind down across Wales, the West Country, and maybe across into southern Ireland, southern parts of Scotland too. Could see some sunshine and temperatures about, well, 7 to 9 degrees. Then again on Wednesday we'll find the high pressure well in charge, so again fairly settled weather, but it will be cloudy at times. The odd shower though certainly affecting that eastern coast. And that's it from me just for now.